Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hire someone on Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to hire any individual, then you will first of all need to switch to a buying profile. Click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on switch to buying. And now you will be able to browse through the various individuals that are offering you services. Click on whichever offer you are interested in and then click on the continue button once you choose the package. Now enter the number of gigs that you want to offer and then click on the continue button, and you also have the options to get extras from the gigs. Once you click on the continue button, you will be asked to continue with your payment option. Go ahead and enter your credit or debit card information, and you can also continue with your PayPal by clicking on PayPal. Once you enter all of your information, click on the confirm and pay option, and now once your payment has been made, the gig will be assigned to this individual right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hire someone on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.